Hey everyone, welcome back. I am just going to do a quick video because it finally arrived. I know I'll be a bit late with the uploads in regards to this, but I do live in Australia, so it always takes a little bit longer to get here. But I finally got my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box, which is kind of cool because it's Valentine's Day tomorrow. So I am going to open this up. Now, I haven't looked, and I'm like, I've seen, because I can't help myself, I have seen a lot of unboxing videos online, and there's kind of like 3 different versions, and 2 I'd be happy to get, and 1 I'm like, So I know, because that's just the way it goes with me, I'll end up with the one that is probably not something I'm going to use, but if they're products that I know I won't use, I'll put them in a giveaway. We're nearly at getting to 100 subscribers, so thank you for those that have subscribed recently. Hi. And I would really like it if you did subscribe. That would be great. It's my birthday next month, and I'd love to get 100 subscribers by my birthday. And if you're happy to watch a 40-year-old woman play with makeup and sometimes talk about Harry Potter, then I'm the one for you. So let's open this up and see what's in there, see which one I got. And now I'm hoping it's all arrived without being broken. So it comes packaged, but I know that it's not like super packaged, and it has come from the States, so I'm like, please have survived. So just unwrapping it. Okay. Alright, the first thing is a pop socket. I don't need one at the moment with the case that I have one on the back, but it's cool. I'll either give it to one of the kids or I don't know. We'll see something. Oh, sorry, Luna. I've got Luna down here. If you didn't meet Luna the other day, I got Luna down here keeping me company while I do this, but she's hiding. You'd say hello. You say please subscribe. All right, I'll put you down. Okay. So let's go with the Skin Frost first. So this is the Skin Frost I got. So I'm looking forward to seeing how these go. I've got the shade Deep Freeze, which I do believe is a blue, which is okay. I'll probably do, I'm just finding my tweezers so I can open this. I would probably use it more as a eyeshadow, but let's have a look. Please don't be broken. Whoo, no, she's not broken. Now, this is Deep Freeze. Now, it is an absolutely beautiful colour. And I'm like, do I keep it or do I give it away? I don't know. Comment down below and tell me what you think. I'm not going to swatch it because I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that. But let me know what you think. Alright, then we get into the lip products. So I know that it comes with 3 of the Velour liquid lips, and then 1 of the lip ammunitions. I've been at work all day, I've been talking all day, I'm like, can't think. Okay, so the lip ammunition I got is in the shade, come on camera, focus, Starfish. So let's have a look at what this is like. It's looking promising. It's looking like a peachy colour, which is something I would wear. So let's hope. Okay, oh, it is cool. Like, this is the first time I've had any Jeffree Star products, so I'm like, you know, see it in person is pretty cool. So let's go. Oh, she's a bit of a pinky coral colour, and it is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but it is ridiculously hot and humid up in Queensland at the moment, so there's definitely some condensation that has formed on the outside of that. Ooh, she's pink. Hey, there is the swatch of that one. Definitely very pink. Oh, they smell really nice. They smell like candy, like lollies, musky. They're nice. Alright, let's have a look at, oh yay, I'm already looking at the colours and I'm like, yes, these are all colours I will wear, and I'm like so excited, yes. Okay, I'm happy. I got a good box. I got colours that I would use. Oh, yay! Alright, so the first one, oh sorry, I should show you the box before I pull it out, is I've got one of the Velour Liquid Lips, one of the limited edition ones, and I've got it in the colour Triggered, which is going to be a deep brown by the looks of it. The packaging is really cool. It's got like glitter through the perspex, through the plastic. That's really cool. So let's have a look. Oh, it's more like a brown burgundy colour. It actually would have been really good for my Bratz doll challenge. If you didn't see that, please, I only uploaded it a few days ago. I tried to do a Bratz doll challenge as a 40-year-old. It was quite funny. So that is Triggered. One of my friends has commented and said I need to do a lol doll. So I'm thinking, why not? I like being set a challenge. Okay, the next colour I got is Watermelon Soda. So let's have a look at this one. So this is nice orangey coral colour. Oh, they do. They smell lovely. Oh, nice. So that is Watermelon Soda. Loving that. And then the last shade I got is Can't Relate. Is it going to focus? I don't think it is. That's alright. It's called Can't Relate, which looks like a nude. Again, it comes in that packaging with the glitter. It is so pretty. Alright, let's watch this one. Oh, nice. Nice nude. Excellent. Yay, I'm so excited. I got a good box. Yay. So there is Can't Relate. Now this is definitely kind of like my skin tone. But I am thrilled with the box that I got. The only thing in here that I wouldn't use is, I'd probably use this lipstick on occasion, but I know Georgia will love that. It's a bright Barbie pink. She'll love that. And the Skin Frost. So, kind of, I don't know what to do with that. Let me know. Let me know too if you think I should do a lol doll. That'd be quite funny. Or LOL doll. Sorry, I better use the proper terminology for that. So I guess that's it. That was a quick video. I've been at work all day, so you'll have to forgive the makeup. I'm not going to take her out, but she's in my hat from the costume the other night. You say, bye. Please like. Alright. Remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I will see you later. Bye.